Hi there guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and we are on day 2 of our Lavinia lockdown extravaganza. And if you didn't tune in yesterday, we've got a fabulous couple of days lined up. We were due obviously to be at the NEC on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and with the lockdown, obviously, you know, things have stopped, come to a standstill. We can't be at any shows at the moment, so we thought we'd do something here from Lavinia headquarters. So we've got daily demos, we've got videos from myself, from the design team, we've got step-by-step tutorials, we've got a huge giveaway each day. Mini competitions, we've got Facebook Lives, we've got behind the scenes here at Lavinia headquarters, see what goes on behind closed doors. So all you've got to do for this giveaway, being day 2 today, you need to stay tuned and watch my next demonstration now, and then just simply like this video and then comment "Win Friday" and then share the post. That's it, that's all you need to do, and then you can win £200 worth of digital gift vouchers. All the entries need to be received by 4 p.m. each day, British time, and then the winners are going to be announced at 8 p.m. British time every day. So it's £200 giveaway, and that's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This is day 2 on Friday. So yeah, stay tuned and good luck everybody, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Take care, bye for now. Okay, so our card today, we're going to be using one of our foxes here from our smaller fox sets, and we're going to be using our floral wreath. I'm going to be also using a stencil and our VersaFine clairs. So starting with Twilight, I'm going to ink that up, and just got white square multifarious card here, and I'm going to pop that down nearer the top, I think. Like so, and then again I'm just going to ink up and line that up the best that I can and stamp that underneath. And then inking up again, and this time I'm going to stamp off and then go over the top. And that leaves us a slightly lighter impression, which gives us a little bit more depth. So ink up, take off, and the same on that side as well. So I'm going to use our elements here. This is olive, and I'm going to take a fine brush, yeah, I think that's a better one, we'll go with that, and because these are water based I can actually paint with them, so just using the lid to add a little bit of water, and then I'm just going to paint in and around Just filling in those areas in between, and this will just fill it out a little with some nice colour. Now obviously this is watercolour, and we've already stamped in an oil-based ink, so that's why the stamped image isn't moving, because it just doesn't affect it because it's an oil base, which is great. Okay, so just take your time with that. You can add more colour if you want. I might add a little bit of the grey actually, the graphite. So again, I'm going to do the same thing. Work my way around. Okay, I'm going to use some torn paper first. I'm going to mask that area off. Just work out where I'm going to pop him. Round about there, I think. So, taking our smoothie, we're going to ink up in the twilight. Let's keep that theme, and I'm just going to just flick that colour up away from the torn paper. Taking our little fox. First of all, ink up in the red tulip. And then I'm going to add the black. Over the top, and then we're just going to pop him down around about there, give that a good press, and there he is. Okay, so I'm just going to just ground him a little. So again, I'm going back to the twilight now. And I'm just grounding where he's sitting. And there we go. I think maybe, yeah, we'll go that way. Just want a few leaves around the edge, that's all. So taking our brush now, our stencil brush, and this time I'm going to use Shady Lane. And just holding on to that, well, you can always tape it down. I'm just going around the edge there. Just want to give it a hint of those leaves. Around the edge. I might just bring in a little bit of depth with the twilight as well. Very, very close to the floral wreath that I've stamped. And I'm hoping that will work. There we go. I think that looks quite nice. It's subtle, but I think it's quite effective. And then taking our burst stamp, I'm going to go around down the edge here. So I'm inking up in the twilight, stamping off, and just repeating that down the edge. Like so. And I think lastly I'm going to put a little bit of glitter down. I'm going to use, I think, the Fairy Tale Wow Embossing powder. So again, I'm going to use my Wow Embossing pen, and I'm just going to pick out a few areas that we can add a little bit of glitter. So I'm just creating little tiny dots. Okay, and then just a little around by where the fox is sitting, and a little just above him on that mound of snow. Okay. And then let's just heat that up now, and hopefully we'll get some really nice glitter coming through. Now you'll notice I put the heat gun underneath as well as on top, and that's just because it stops it warping all one way. And that's really giving it a lovely kind of rustic look. It's actually come out better than what I thought it was going to. I hope you can see that. It's kind of stuck to other areas, but I think that's quite nice. It's even stuck to some of the stencil patterning. It's picked that up. Okay, what next? I still think it needs a little bit of colour, perhaps on the berries, so maybe we'll go with the paprika and add a little bit of water, and then let's just colour in some of those buds. And I think that little bit of colour just brings it to life. I don't think you can ever really tell. Well, personally, I don't really prep making cards. I just go with the flow, and you kind of decide as you go along what it might need, if it might need another colour. Don't be frightened of experimenting. Okay. So what I might do now is just go around the edge. So I'm going to use the Twilight ink up, and then I'm just going to go around the edge. Okay, I'm happy with that. I hope you enjoyed today's demo, guys. Thanks so much for watching and joining me today. I hope you're loving the new stamps as much as I am creating cards with them. It's just nice to have new things to play with. Okay, so finished card. Thanks again, guys. You take care, and we'll see you real soon. Bye for now.